Mom, whose looks the best?
Wow, I think, all of them, but I really like Chase's.
What? You hurt my feelings! I don't want to touch you!
What's up, everybody? We can't see, hold on. Boom! Subscribblers, what's going on?
Chase and Mike? Yeah! And now we got our toys!
Our toys are here! You know, we've been talking about them for weeks. Mommy is going to cut the box open, and we are gonna check out what's inside. Skylander Grandma is gonna be here for this occasion.
I'm so excited. I feel like I got cry.
Alright. Very careful.
There's no way you can say bubbles in an evil way. Bubbles!
Bubbles! Okay, ready? Who's gonna go inside? Okay, guys, let's open a epic unboxing. Whoa, whoa. Alrighty, let's take that off. Alrighty, guys, this is gonna be our not so epic unboxing because we have to go so slow and so careful with this stuff. Alrighty, now we have 2 boxes, guys. Which box should we open up fast?
Fathers, let him go. I'm so excited. It looks like an ice cube.
Ew, ice cube. Open it. Open. What does the box say?
Open with care.
It says family.
Marshmallow.
No, it says family.
Peanut.
No, don't throw it. We have guests coming here tomorrow for an important video next week. Check out Mike's shirt.
I need a napkin.
Mom, do you know who that is?
That's Michael.
Yeah. Alrighty, let's take out.
Oh my god. It's a bunch of lollipops, I think. Oh my gosh. You didn't tell me that's what you were getting.
It's a toy box.
Holy cow. It's so real. Hi, Lex. I love you, little girl. It's like real Sky Dad.
All right,
hi,
ready?
honey. Did you brush your teeth tonight, little boy?
Oh, okay, Mom.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Is that cool?
Wait a minute. Are you guys on a portal?
Yeah.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, we're on an old-fashioned portal.
I think that some of us look really weird, but it's actually really cool.
Welcome to Do Much Fun. You guys want to see the individual one? Photoscope. This is who did our work, our lovely work. Check it out. My mom is gonna help open up Chase's.
Come see Chase's buckets.
Whoa!
Chase, is that you?
Yep.
Let's see it.
Chase, I don't mind.
Oh!
Wow.
What do you think, Mike?
Cool. We're on Earth.
Wait, I get it. So you're Skylander portal people looking things.
Portal people looking things? Wow. Don't even talk about Skylanders anymore. You're just...
I just want to know if you're supposed to be Skylander. Jeez.
Mike should be
Chase,
fired
was that a
because he has gamer rings.
Oh yeah, Chase has them. Oh yeah, they both have gamer
Yeah,
rings.
but Chase has a
They
move.
haven't-
He's like, I didn't get this level, tiny thief.
Ew. Uh-oh, here we go.
Daddy's fire.
Thank you.
I went inside of you on the computer.
Oh, you remember that?
Yeah.
You wish she was inside of my mouth.
And I farted.
What? Yep, that's correct. And you farted.
Like, look how realistic. It shows like all the...
Let me check out my butt a little bit. Okay, that's good.
Why didn't you pull your pants up a little bit before you did
No,
that?
it's just because I have poop in it.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, disgusting.
I have soggy pants?
Saggy.
Oh, saggy. Because soggy, I don't know. That's
Then
just...
you go like this.
Let's change this subject. All right, this is a mystery. We don't know who's in the box.
It's a girl.
It's a gory. You took the words out of my mouth.
What's your magic? I'm magic.
Oh my
Magic,
gosh.
you know. Let's see Mars.
Let's see Mama's.
Oh, yeah.
It's water. Is it water? What is it? It's Earth.
So Photoscope, the company that made these, went the extra mile for us. And this is not standard, but they made that just for us. So make sure if this interests you, you guys check them out down in Texas and Dallas and support them. There's their contact info there.
Chase is supposed to have so much fun. That's what it says on his shirt.
So Chase is having so much fun. Alrighty guys, so what do we think? Scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you?
Honestly, I think I won. I'll give it an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Okay, Mike, what do you give yours?
I really give it a 6.
6?
Yeah.
What are you popping over there? Chase, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate yours?
9. 9.
A 9? Nice! Step on you, Pop! Mommy, what do you think?
I say an 8.
An 8? I give mine a 9.
Mine a 9?
Yep. Chase is wrapped up.
The noses are like slant around.
Yeah, they are.
Oh my god.
Well,
Except they're not like.
Mommy looks like a Squidward witch villager from Minecraft.
I'm so insecure because I have no makeup on.
Oh, yeah?
You always film me when I'm not ready.
Oh, oh! The two not dressed for YouTube ladies are in the house. You guys are both beautiful
I don't
ladies.
have proper makeup
Don't
on.
compare yourselves to people that are on the magazines because it's fake and it's phony. Beauty is on the inside. Well, that is a look at our toys. And we're gonna get you some close-up 360 shots. Whoa. And once the kids get out of here and stop. Did you fall down? You okay? Whose looks the best?
Yeah.
Mom, whose looks the best?
Wow, I think all of them, but I really like Chase's.
What? You hurt my feelings. I don't want to touch you.
Oh no, you made me, Sky Dad.
No, don't even.
You know what it is? It's the colorful pinata he's sitting on.
You're the color of the pinata he's sitting on.
I'm sorry, Arito. Lex, I made a mistake. I really meant
No!
I mean Michael.
No!
All right, so anyways, I had a boo-boo on my finger there and I really wanted it to show up and it didn't. Because it's my battle
I
scar.
thought Mike had a boo-boo on his arm.
Are you
Remember?
kidding?
No, that was a joke. That was a corny joke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember? Wait.
No, I didn't have time to think of a good joke, so should I maybe edit this out and then like
Well, you said corn. You just had corn.
but can you-
Organic corn.
Oh yeah, it was organic. There's no GMO. Wait, can you help me think of a better joke? Chase, jump on the box, Chase! Jump!
Well, Daddy looks like he's wearing ballet shoes.
Oh.
You guys can afford this. I think you can afford to get your kids some teeth in the photos.
So hot in here.
You want to see something that I just installed this fan because of how hot it got? Look, all you do is this.
Oh, I love that fan. You have
That's stylish.
There we go. Whoa, halo, Chase. No, don't wipe your nose on a Do Much Fun shirt. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up.
Everybody do your share.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean
And for those that want to see really quick, it's pretty messy in here, but here's just where we're keeping some of our other stuff up in here for right there. And yeah, and oh my goodness, it's Disney Infinity.
Daddy, can I pop this balloon?
Sure, buddy, go for it.
Wait, no. What? Wait.
Whoa! Oh, you did it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Peace out. Bye, 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 bye. Wait, where's the box, Troll? Chase, are you in there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Have a Skylander day!
Was that right? Skylander?
For your kind of people, it is.
Tell them what did we see? Skylanders, superchargers, you know we rapping harder, more than any other. But baby, E3 roll up in the spot, you know our first stop. That booth marked Activision.